The idea to use carriers to deliver drugs to specific targets such as organs, tumors or infections inside of the body is not new. People often use synthetic drug carriers. They have the disadvantage that they trigger an immune response in our body. We had the idea to use red blood cells to hide drugs and deliver them to certain targets. The problem is that these red blood cells are not specific. They don't find tumors or infections by themselves. We found a way to make the surface of these red blood cells sticky. We changed the molecular structure of these red blood cells such that they can attach to tumors or to bacterial cells, and then they release the drug right into the bacterial cell and kill the infection.
In the first step, we take blood from a volunteer. We then need to empty the cell, we open it and then take out all the molecules that are inside it, eventually taking a drug and placing it inside this empty cell. We then close the cell again, and for the body, this cell looks like a regular red blood cell, but it hides now the drug molecule from the body.
You can target, for instance, certain organs, you can target infections, and you can also target tumors inside of your body.